Welcome to Riji. Now we are going to continue the session of straight line chapter. That is, in that Sivas theorem. Sivas theorem. The statement for Sivas theorem is the lines joining any point at O to the vertices of A, B, C of a triangle meet the opposite sides in a D, E, F respectively. Then the condition we need to prove, that is BD by BC into CE by EA into AF by FB is equal to 1 here. And if you look at the statement, somewhat difficult to understand here. If we draw a diagram for this one, you can easily understand what it is saying the statement about. First of all, I am drawing a triangle which is having a side of A, B, C. This is a triangle I am taking here of having points A of x1 comma y1 and B of x2 comma y2 and C of x3 comma y3. And so from this point A, so the vertices A, B, C here. So from the vertices of midpoint of AC and midpoint of, this is AC and BC and midpoint of A. So I am joining the point A and this one and this is here. So this point is considered as D, this point is considered as E, and this point is considered as F here. So the point of intersection of these all three midlines here I am taking as O here. This is O is nothing but 0 comma 0 here. So from, if you look at the diagram here, A, B, C is a triangle here. A, B, C is a triangle and having vertices A. This is vertices A, this is B, and this is C here. Three vertices are there here. So from these three vertices, I am drawing medians here. The point of intersection of medians is considered as origin, that is 0 comma 0 here, and here this is area of median of BC and C is the median of AB and B is the median of AC here. The point of intersection of all these three lines is origin 0 comma 0. And the proof for this one is, the proof for this one. So here let triangle ABC is a triangle. Let ABC triangle is a triangle, and so A is a point, that is x1 comma y1, and B is one more point x2 comma y2, and finally C is x3 comma y3. These are the 3 points here, and these 3 points are vertices of a triangle, or vertices of a triangle here. These 3 points are vertices of a triangle here, and he is saying the triangle ABC meets an opposite sides of DEF. These are the opposite sides of A, D, E. For opposite A is D, for opposite of B is E, and for opposite of C is F. He is saying that one only the opposite vertices of a triangle meets opposite sides in D, E, F respectively. So D, E, F respectively I am writing here, and A, B, C are vertices of a triangle here. And here if you observe D, E, F are midpoints of BC comma AC and AB respectively. Here D, E, F are midpoints of BC, AC, AB are respectively here, and O is a point of intersection of AD, comma CF and BE point. The point O is the point of intersection of AD and CF, comma BE point. So this is the given data here, and so if you observe the line AD is the equation of line. This AD line is intersecting BC here. The AD line is intersecting BC. So the equation of line AD is dividing BC in the ratio of BD by BC. Observe clearly here the line AD divides BC in the ratio that is BD is to DC. Here observe this point clearly. The line AD divides BC, this line BC in the ratio BD is to DC. The line AD dividing this line AD is dividing the line BC in the ratio of BD is to DC. This is the statement here I am taking. The equation of AD line is nothing but the equation of AO line. The equation of AO and equation of AD both are same here. It is passing through origin here, and equation of AD line. Whenever the 2 points of a straight line is given, the equation of straight line is formula is y2 minus y1 into equal to y2 minus y1 by y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is the equation of a straight line when 2 points of a straight line is given. Here this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Consider this is x2 y2, this is x1 y1, and so y minus 0 x2 y2, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, y minus 0 and x2 minus x1, that is 0 minus y1 by 0 minus x1. 0 minus y1 by 0 minus x1, then y minus 0, x minus 0 here. This is the equation, and if you solve this one, so minus minus get cancelled. x1 into y is equal to y1 into x. Let's bring this term to left hand side, then x1y minus y1x is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1, and this is the equation of AD line. This is the equation of AD line. This equation line is considered as, I am writing this equation line. So this is x1y minus y1x is equal to 0. This is the equation of line. This equation dividing BC in the ratio of BD is to DC here. So I am writing, already in last class we discussed about point of intersection of a concept, point of intersection of a line concepts here. According to that, if a line divides in the ratio, that the ratio is equal minus L11 by L22. That is the condition here. According to that, I am writing the ratio is equal to here. So ratio is nothing but here BD by CD, BD by DC, BD by DC, BD by DC is equal. So here the L1, the equation of line is here for point AD is xy1 minus of x1 by y1 x. So I am writing the same x1 by minus y1 x. So this is the equation of line. In this equation of line, we need to substitute the point x2 y2 in the numerator and x3 y3 in the denominator. x2 y2 in the numerator and x3 y3 in denominator. At this point at x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3, then it will become, so BD by DC will become, in place of y1 we need to substitute y2, so minus of x1 y2 y1 x2 divided by x1 y3. So I am substituting this point and this point here in denominator, x3 y3 denominator. So y3 x1 y3 minus y1 x3 minus y1 x3. This is the equation, this is the ratio of BD by DC. This is nothing but BD by DC. In that way similarly, I am finding here equation of a line BE. The line BE divide the line AC in the ratio CE is to EA. Here in the same way, the line BE intersecting the line AC in the ratio CE is to EA. So CE is to A. Therefore, the equation of line, the line BE divides the line CA in the ratio CE is to EA. So it will become the equation of line AD, equation of line BE. I am finding here BE, equation of line BE, that is nothing but, so it is y minus equation of line y minus 0. Equation of B is nothing but equation of BO here. BO, if you find the equation of BO, then the equation of BE will get here. Y minus 0 is equal to y2 minus x2. So that is nothing but 0 minus y2 by 0 minus y2 by 0 minus x2 into x minus 0 here. So minus minus get cancelled here, then the equation will become y into x2 equal to x into y2. Let's bring this term to left hand side. yx2 minus xy2 is equal to 0. This is equation number 2 here. This is the equation of line. This one. This is the equation of line. The equation of this line is xy2 yx2 minus xy2. This is the equation of line. This is the equation of previous line. This is the equation of this line here. So here and then here we need to find the ratio. The ratio is here. Ratio for this one. Ratio is nothing but CE by EA. CE by EA. CE by EA. In that previous case here, minus L11 by L22 here. Minus L11 is nothing but here the equation of line we got minus of yx2 minus xy2 divided by same line I am taking here xy2 yx2 xy2. At point here, at point x3 y3 x1 y1, at x3 y3 and x1 y1. So let's substitute x3 y3 in numerator, x1 y1 in denominator. Then it will become CE by EA is equal minus of y3 x2 minus x3 y2 divided by x1 y1 in denominator, y1 x2 minus x1 y2. This is about the ratio CE here. This is about the ratio CE here, and so here we have less space. So I am writing this BD and BD by DC and CE by EA separate side, so that we have some space here. So I am erasing this one. So, and the final one, this line AD line is completed and PD line is completed. Next finally CF line. CF divides the line BA. CF divides the line AB here. CF divides the line AB in the ratio that is A of east FB. So that this CF line intersect divides in the line AB here in the ratio of AB east to BE. So that we need to find the equation of CF here. Equation of CF. If you want to find the equation of CF, this line is passing through origin here. If you want to find the equation of CO line, that is nothing but y minus 0 is equal to y2 minus y1. Y2 is nothing but y3, 0 minus y3 by 0 minus yx2 into 0 minus x3 here. y3 minus y1. So that is x minus 0 here. This implies minus get cancelled. Y into x3 equal to x into y3. This implies yx3 minus xy3, that is equal to 0. This is the equation number 3 here, and this equation line indicates this equation line here. So this is nothing but yx3 minus xy3 is equal to 0. And here we got 3 equation of lines here, those are median lines here. So here we want to find the ratio here. Ratio is nothing but AF by FB. AF by FB here. AF by FB. AF is nothing but here minus L11 by L22. So minus of L1 is here yx3 minus xy3 divided by, this is the same line here, yx3 by xy3 here. Let's substitute at x1 y1 and x2 y2. Let's substitute x1 y1 in numerator, x2 y2 in denominator. Then it will become minus of y1 x3 and x1 y3 divided by next y2 x3 next x2 y3. Here we got a, finally we got BD by DC here, BD by DC we got, and CE by EA we got here, and finally AF by FB. Here we got all the ratios of BD by DC, CE by EA, AF by FB. So let's multiply all the ratios. I am erasing this line only this line. So BD by DC into CE by EA into AF by FB is equal to, see, BD by DC here, BD by DC this one, minus of of x1 y2 minus y1 x2 divided by next x1 y3 and y1 x3. This is the first term and into multiplied by second term c by ea minus of y3 x2 minus x3 y2 divided by y1 x2 minus x1 y2 into, and the final term, this is the final term here. I mean writing this via x2 y2 here, and the final term is minus y1 of y1 x3 minus x1 y3 divided by y2 x3 minus x2 y2. Simply I am substituting the values of VD by DC, CE by EA, AF by FB in this expression. So if you observe clearly, this is x1 y2 y1 x2. This is x1 y2 x1 x2 x1 y1 x2 x1 y2. Similarly, here if you take minus as common, here, this will be reversed. If you take minus as this one, this will be reversed. So minus 1 as common. So these two values are cancelled here, and take minus 1 as common, then only it is cancelled here. Next y3 x2 x3 y2. So here if you take minus 1 as common, again these two values will be cancelled here. And again here y1 x3 x1 y3 x1 y3 y1 x3. Here also if you take minus 1 as common, these two values will be cancelled here. So here if you observe minus into minus plus minus into minus 1, that is plus 1, and into minus 1 into plus 1, that is again plus 1, into minus 1 into minus 1, that is again plus 1. 1 into 1 into 1, that is equal 1. So similarly here, therefore proved that Sivas theorem BD by DC into CE by EA into AF by FB is equal to 1. Hence it is proved here. It is proved for the condition. So I am repeating once again here. Here, if the lines joining at any point at O, the vertices ABC of a triangle meet the opposite sides in a DEF respectively, then BD by DC, EC by EA, AF by FB is equal to 1. I am taking a triangle here, that is ABC triangle here, having vertices x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 here. The midpoints I am taking here, the midpoints are the point of intersection of midlines here is O here, and AD is passing through O and intersecting the line BD in the ratio of BC. So I am finding the equation of line AD here, this line intersecting BC in the ratio of BD and DC. So I am finding for that one equation of BD, that is BD by DC we got here. This is the L11 by L22, the equation of this AD line we got here. So from that AD line having x2 y2 and x3 y3 and substituting, so that we got point BD by DC. In that case, similarly CF line is passing through O and intersecting the line AB. It is dividing in the ratio of AF by FB. And similarly BE line passing through O and it is intersecting AC line in the ratio of CE by AE. So similarly we got the ratios of BD by DC, CE by EA and AF by FB. Substituting all the ratios in this expression, after taking minus as 1 as common, all the terms will get cancelled here. 1 into 1 into 1 will become 1. This is all about Sivas theorem.